Oh my goodness.
There you go.
No, you play.
For the past 3 years in a row, Legendary Automotive and Truck Service has been giving back to you, our community. This year is no different. With the challenges of transportation and the current pandemic, now more than ever, we all need to extend a helping hand. Each year, we give away a fully restored vehicle to a nominated hero of our community. However, this year in 2021, we'd like to make it legendary by giving away 2 vehicles this year. One will be for a person that has served our country and continues to work hard to serve other people that have served our country, and the other to one that gives beyond themselves within our community. But we can't do it without your help. If you have a vehicle you'd like to donate, bring it down to our shop and our certified technicians will restore the vehicle and give it away to one of our community heroes. Or if you would like to help by nominating someone, head on over to our website to enter a hero nomination or make a donation towards this cause. We will be selecting the winners on a later date. We give back to our community and we truly would appreciate your help changing lives of those within our community this year. Here at Legendary, we don't just service and repair cars or trucks. We give back to the community that gives us all so much. We love our community and will continue to create legendary moments. Thank you.